In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Add to Cart button from products in Wix Vertical Bar 2026. If you're setting up a catalog-style site, collecting leads before launch, or simply showcasing items without selling, hiding the Add to Cart button keeps your product pages clean and focused. We'll do this directly inside the Wix editor, and the change will apply to the product page layout your store uses. Start by heading to the Wix website, sign in, and open the site you want to edit in the Wix editor. Once the editor loads, look to the left-hand panel for Pages and Menu. This is where you manage all your site's pages. Switch to the Store Pages section and open the product page. This page is a dynamic template, so edits you make here typically affect all products that use this layout, which is exactly what we want for a consistent look. On the canvas, click the main product display area. You're aiming for the actual product widget, the section that shows the product title, images, price options, and purchase controls. When you've selected the correct element, you'll see its frame and a small toolbar. Click Settings to open the panel for this product page element. Inside the Settings panel, go to the tab labeled Display or, depending on your template, Elements. These tabs control which parts of the product layout are visible. Scroll through the list until you find the option for the Add to Cart button. It may appear as a simple toggle. Switch that toggle off. The moment you do, the Add to Cart button is hidden from your product page layout. A couple of helpful notes as you do this. Templates and labels can vary slightly, so if you don't see display, look for elements. They serve the same purpose here. Also, make sure you truly have the product widget selected. If you click a surrounding strip or a text box by accident, you won't get the right settings. Selecting the full product element ensures the Add to Cart control appears in the panel. After turning the toggle off, you should see the button disappear from the page preview in the editor. Because this is a dynamic product page, the change applies across all products that share this layout, saving you from editing items one by one. Your images, descriptions, and other details remain intact. Only the purchase button is removed, which is perfect when you want visitors to view information without initiating checkout, and that's it. You opened the Wix editor, navigated to your product page, selected the product element, and hid the Add to Cart button using the display or element settings.